Hello and welcome to the Gentle Sharp training video. Gentle Sharp is used to perform vascular punctures for the purpose of obtaining blood samples in rodents. The device consists of a handpiece connected to a control box and is compatible with standard Lor-Lock and lower slip needles or lancets, referred to as sharps in the video, which are sold separately. Before we proceed to the operating instructions, we need to run through a few warnings. Please bear with us for a moment or two. Do not use Gentle Sharp if you are accessing or collecting blood from a human. You are not qualified to perform blood sampling in rodents. The rodent is showing signs of illness or injury. The site you wish to sample contains abnormalities. You are collecting blood via retroorbital bleed. The device is in the presence of flammable anesthetics. Please read the entire operator's manual before using Gentle Sharp. Disregarding the cautions and instructions found in the manual constitutes abnormal use and can result in injury. When using the device, we recommend you wear a protective gown, gloves, eye protection, and any other personal protective equipment required by our facility's policies. Make certain that the correct size of sharp is selected for the rodent and the sampling site according to your facility's policies and protocols. Use a new sharp for each rodent or when you're unsure of the sharp's sterility. Do not recap a sharp and be sure to dispose of sharps according to your facility's policies and protocols. To reduce the risk of the control box or handpiece falling, place the Gentle Sharp control box and handpiece on a level surface. Stop the handpiece before and after each use to reduce the risk of the device falling off the surface. Gentle Sharp contains magnets inside the handpiece that can interfere with the operation of certain devices. Therefore, do not place it within 15 centimeters or 6 inches of pacemakers, defibrillators, and other electronic devices. This also holds true for credit cards, videotapes, televisions, computer monitors, and other CRT displays. Do not modify the Gentle Sharp device. As with any blood sampling procedure, rodents may show signs of discomfort. Okay, let's start with instructions for setup. Remove the control box and handpiece from the case. Place the control box and handpiece on a sturdy level surface, such as a table. This reduces the risk of the control box or handpiece falling. Remove the power cord, power supply, and power supply cord from the case. Verify that the power cord is securely plugged into the power supply. Plug the power cord into a standard wall outlet. Plug the power supply into the jack on the control box. Verify the control box is operational by pushing the on-off power switch to the on position. The control box will produce an audible tone when powered on. Note that Gentle Sharp will not vibrate at this time. The start-stop button on the handpiece causes the vibration. For now, do not press the start-stop button. Attach a standard Lor-Lock or lower slip sharp to the lower connector on the handpiece. We recommend the sharp stay capped until it is connected to the Lor-Lock and ready to use. Before use, verify handpiece vibration by firmly pressing the start-stop button on the handpiece. The handpiece will produce an audible tone when started, and you'll feel a slight vibration in your hand. Once you feel the vibration, press the start-stop button to stop the vibration until you're ready to begin blood sampling. Now that you have everything set up, let's move on to our operating instructions. Loosen the cap from your sharp and place the device to the side, with the cap still covering the sharp. Secure the rodent according to your facility's policies and protocols for anatomical site access for blood sampling. Remove the cap from your sharp. Turn the handpiece until the bevel is in the desired orientation. Start the Gentle Sharp vibration by firmly pressing the start-stop button. The handpiece will produce an audible tone when started, and you'll feel a slight vibration in your hand. Puncture the vessel. After puncturing the vessel, press the start-stop button on the handpiece again to stop Gentle Sharp. Set handpiece on a level surface while making sure that the tip of the sharp is facing away from the area of blood collection and the operator. Collect your blood sample. If your blood sample is not enough, repeat the sampling procedure. At this point, place the rodent back into their housing area. We recommend you remove the sharp from the lower connector, keeping your hand away from the top of the sharp. We also recommend that you never recap the sharp. Dispose of used sharps according to your facility's policies and protocols and applicable government regulations. Here are the instructions for cleaning the device. You should thoroughly clean Gentle Sharp after each use. Prior to cleaning, turn off the device and unplug it from the outlet. Then, make sure there is no sharp attached. Finally, Clean the device by wiping all exterior surfaces with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol or with a disinfectant wipe. Note that you should never submerge Gentle Sharp in liquid. Finally, when done, you should store the device in a clean, dry area. We recommend you store Gentle Sharp at temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and 30 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Relative humidity should be between 30 and 75%. If you need help, we're just a phone call away. Contact Actuated Medical's customer service department at 814-355-0003, extension 117. We're available from Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.